this first look is inspired by Cinnamoroll. Cinnamoroll is honestly one of my absolute favorite Sanrio characters, and I definitely put it on my top 5 favorite Sanrio characters. So this look I decided to really focus on the color white, since Cinnamoroll is mainly white, and then add a pop of color with this pink bow. So the main shirt I'm using right now is a white button-up shirt, and I decided to layer over a vest, a white vest with a pink bow to kind of add a pop of color. Decided to wear a white A-line skirt, or your typical schoolgirl skirt, as well as using this cute Cinnamoroll bag, as well as these Cinnamoroll, I think they would be kind of like leg warmers, and these cute black shoes. These are perfect for a schoolgirl look. This is the actual look. This is the full look. I was definitely inspired by schoolgirl fashion, nanchatte seifuku fashion, and kogal fashion in general as well. I think it's very, very cute, and I decided to kind of finish off the look with this Cinnamoroll inspired bag. I think it's literally so cute, and it's one of my favorite looks. I decided to keep it nice, cute, and simple, and definitely very Cinnamoroll inspired. This next look is inspired by Kuromi. I decided to style this look with these cute twin tails to really add to the Kawaii fashion look. And here I'm wearing a short-sleeved button-up shirt. This has a very cool pattern. It kind of looks like gingham, and it's black and white. I felt like I really wanted to focus on the color black and white, since Kuromi really consists of these two main colors. I didn't add any pop of color with pink, since Kuromi does have pink, but I felt like this look worked really, really well. And of course, I wanted to go with a nanchatte, seifuku, and kogal themed outfit. Make it very, very preppy, but also this definitely gave me very like anime vibes, which I think is really, really cute. Of course, I'm wearing this schoolgirl skirt that's black. I'm pairing it off with these black thigh-high socks, and of course my usual schoolgirl shoes that I got from H&M. I think this look is literally so, so cute, and I definitely see myself wearing this out. I think this would really work well if I had like a Kuromi themed bag, which I do not, but I wish I did. And yeah, this main look is really inspired by preppy fashion and anime, like girls' school uniforms, things like that. So this is the final look, and I absolutely love it. I felt like twin tails really work for all the styles, but I definitely wanted to create a little bit of a difference between each look. This last look is inspired by Hello Kitty, and I think this is so, so cute. I decided to add this really cute yellow cardigan over my white button-up shirt to add a nice touch of color, a nice pop of color, I mean, and I feel like it really goes well with Hello Kitty's like nose. And then I decided to wear this white A-line skirt, this schoolgirl skirt, and then pair it off with these gray thigh-high socks and my black schoolgirl shoes that I got from H&M. I decided to use this cute Hello Kitty bag. If you guys are wondering where I got the Cinnamoroll themed bag and this bag, I got them off of a Miniso. So if you guys are wondering, that's where I got them. And they are so, so cute. They definitely pair off really, really well for these looks. And of course, that's a very good statement piece to have, because it definitely does scream Hello Kitty inspired outfit. And this is really the look. It's honestly so, so cute. You can definitely style this outfit with like cute twin tails, or you can leave your hair down. I think it's a very, very cute look. And here I'm putting on the backpack. This backpack might be more for like kids, I'm not sure, or more like as an accessory bag to put a couple items in your hold it. I'm not really sure. But this is how it looks with me holding them on with both my hands, kind of like putting in like your typical backpack, which is really nice. I did have to kind of loosen it up quite a bit so that it fit, because it does seem like it's probably for little kids, but it's still really, really cute. I felt like it works really well, and it's definitely that extra signature piece that I needed to create that kawaii look. So this fashion lookbook is actually part of a two-part little series. So here I'm going to show you guys 3 looks inspired by different Sanrio characters, and then in a week or so I will be showing you guys the next 3 outfits that are inspired by Sanrio characters, so please be looking forward to that. I'll be posting that as soon as possible.